Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English with Emma and Jack. Look at this beautiful day. I am so happy to be here.
Good morning. Is it morning already?
Jack, wake up. It's 9 a.m. Why do you look like a zombie?
Because I am a zombie without my coffee. That is better.
You are definitely not a morning person, Jack.
No, I am not. I hate mornings. Mornings are terrible.
Well, that is perfect because today's topic is all about daily routines.
Routines? You mean what we do every day?
Exactly. We are going to talk about morning people, like me, and night people, like you.
Okay, I can talk about that. But can I have more coffee first?
Sure. While Jack drinks his coffee, let's learn how to describe your day from morning to night.
If you want to learn real English for your daily life, please hit the subscribe button.
And click like if you are awake. Let's go. So, Jack, tell me the truth. What time do you wake up?
On a work day, I wake up at 7:30 a.m.
7:30? That is not too bad.
Wait, my alarm rings at 7:30, but I don't get up. I hit the snooze button.
Ah, the snooze button. That is the button that stops the alarm for 5 or 10 minutes, right?
Yes, I hit snooze 1 time, 2 times, maybe 5 times. I finally get up at 8:15 a.m.
Oh my goodness, that is stressful.
What about you, Emma? What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 a.m.
6 a.m.? Do you use an alarm?
No, I just wake up naturally. I love to see the sun come up. It is so quiet and peaceful.
You are crazy. 6 a.m. is the middle of the night for me. Okay, so you wake up at 6. What do you do then? Do you go back to sleep?
No, I brush my teeth, drink a glass of water, and then I do yoga.
Yoga? Before breakfast?
Yes, it gives me energy. Then I make a healthy breakfast, usually oatmeal or a smoothie. I take my time.
Wow, my morning is very different. Because I hit the snooze button so many times, I am always late.
So you rush?
Yes, I rush. I take a very fast shower, I get dressed in 2 minutes, and I usually skip breakfast.
You skip breakfast? That means you don't eat anything?
I just drink coffee. Coffee is my breakfast. If I eat, I will be late for the bus.
I understand why you are tired now. But Jack, you have a lot of energy at night, right?
Yes, I am a night owl.
A night owl? Like the bird?
Yes, an owl is awake at night, so a night owl is a person who loves the night. After 10 p.m., I feel great.
Really? At 10 p.m., I'm ready for bed. I am so sleepy.
At 10 p.m., I usually watch a movie, play video games, or even work. I feel very creative at night. It's quiet, and I can think clearly.
What time do you go to sleep?
Usually around 1 a.m. or 2 a.m.
2 a.m.? That is why you need coffee in the morning. I'm an early bird. I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
Okay, but what about the weekend, Saturday and Sunday? Surely you sleep late on Sunday.
Not really. On Saturday, I wake up at 7 a.m. I go to the market, I clean my house, and I do my laundry.
You do chores at 7 a.m. on a Saturday? Emma, you need to relax.
But then my day is free. What do you do on weekends?
I sleep in.
Sleep in. Does that mean you sleep on the floor?
No. To sleep in means to sleep later than usual. On Saturday, I sleep until 11 a.m. or 12 p.m.
Noon? You sleep until lunchtime?
Yes, it is glorious. It's the best feeling in the world.
I think I would feel lazy if I slept until noon. But hey, we're different.
Very different. You are an early bird, and I am a night owl.
That was a fun discussion. I am definitely an early bird.
And I am definitely a night owl. But Emma, we used many interesting idioms and words.
Yes, to talk about your daily life, you need these 8 key words. Let's look at them.
Phrase number 1 is early bird.
An early bird is a person who wakes up early and feels energetic in the morning. Example, my mom is an early bird. She wakes up at 5 a.m. every day.
Phrase number 2 is the opposite, night owl.
A night owl is a person who likes to stay up late at night. They feel good at night. Example, I am a night owl. I hate mornings.
Phrase number 3 is dangerous, the snooze button.
This is the button on your alarm clock. You press it to sleep for 5 or 10 more minutes. Example, I hit the snooze button 3 times this morning.
Phrase number 4 is a verb, rush.
To rush means to move very fast because you are late. Example, I have to rush to catch the bus.
Phrase number 5, skip.
To skip means to not do something. If you skip breakfast, you do not eat breakfast. Example, I was late, so I skipped lunch.
Phrase number 6, stay up late.
This means you do not go to bed early. You stay awake until midnight or later. Example, don't stay up late watching TV.
Phrase number 7 is my favorite, sleep in.
Be careful, sleep in does not mean you sleep inside a box. It means you sleep later than usual, usually on weekends. Example, on Sunday, I like to sleep in until 10 a.m.
And finally, number 8, routine.
Your routine is the things you do every day in the same order. Example, my morning routine is yoga, shower, and coffee.
So we have early bird, night owl, snooze button, rush, skip, stay up late, sleep in, and routine.
These words are very natural. Native speakers use them all the time.
Now let's use them in a real situation. Imagine we are planning a trip together.
Oh no, an early bird and a night owl planning a trip? That sounds difficult.
Let's try.
Okay, Jack, we learned the words. Now let's use them in a difficult situation.
A difficult situation?
Yes. Imagine we are going on a road trip this Saturday. We need to decide what time to leave.
Oh no, I know what you are going to say.
Let's try. Action! I am so excited for our trip to the beach on Saturday. I have the map right here.
Me too. It will be fun. So what is the plan?
Well, it is a long drive, so we need to leave early to avoid traffic.
I agree. Early is good. So maybe 10 a.m.?
10 a.m.? Jack, that is lunchtime. No. I want to leave at 5 a.m.
5 a.m.? Emma, are you crazy? That is the middle of the night.
But the sunrise is beautiful, and there are no cars on the road.
But I will be asleep. You know I'm a night owl. If I wake up at 5, I will be a zombie.
Come on, just don't stay up late on Friday night. Go to bed early.
I can't. I have to pack my bags on Friday night. I will probably stay up late until 1 a.m.
Okay. If we leave at 10, we will hit traffic. We will rush and feel stressed.
Okay, let's compromise. How about 8 a.m.?
8 a.m.? That is a bit late for an early bird like me, but okay.
8 a.m. is very early for me, but I promise I will set my alarm.
And you must promise one more thing.
What?
Do not hit the snooze button.
I promise, no snooze button, but you must promise to buy me a large coffee.
Deal. 8 a.m. Don't be late or I will leave without you.
Phew, that was intense. 5 a.m., that is scary.
But we found a compromise. 8 a.m. is okay for both of us.
Did you hear the words we used? I'm a night owl. Don't stay up late. Don't hit the snooze button.
And notice how we negotiated. Jack said, "How about 10 a.m.?" I said, "No." Then we agreed on 8 a.m.
This is very useful when you make plans with friends.
Exactly. Always check if your friend is an early bird or a night owl first.
Well done, everyone. We survived the morning.
Barely! But seriously, whether you wake up at 5 a.m. or 10 a.m., the important thing is to have a good routine.
Exactly. And remember the new words we learned: early bird, night owl, snooze button, and sleep in.
Now, we have a very important question for you. This is the question of the day.
We want to know, are you an early bird or a night owl?
Do you love the morning sunshine like Emma, or do you love the quiet night like me?
Please write in the comments, I am an early bird, or I am a night owl.
And tell us one more thing. What time do you wake up? Be honest. Do you hit the snooze button?
We love reading your comments. It is the best part of our day.
If you enjoyed this video and my suffering in the morning, please give us a like.
And make sure to subscribe to Everyday English with Emma and Jack for more fun lessons.
I am going to get more coffee now. Have a wonderful day or night, everyone.
See you next time. Bye.